Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a new ultra low cost airline that is called Swoop. That is going to be for Canadians, and it says Tourism Minister Edward Bartlett on Sunday welcomed a new Canadian ultra low cost carrier, Swoop, to the Jamaican market. Minister Bartlett, while welcoming visitors who were passenger on the inaugural Swoop flight to Jamaica at the Songsters International Airport in Montego Bay, said the minister was excited about the development and it would bring more visitors to the island. This will facilitate more persons to access the destination, and it will allow for the Airbnb demographic to access in a stronger way. So we're very excited about the prospect of bringing more visitors to Jamaica, Bartlett said. Canadian High Commissioner to Jamaica, Laurie Peters, also praised the development, saying it reflected the long and close ties between two countries. Like Jamaica, Canada is delighted to welcome Swoop Airlines into Canadian family. Canada has been a long and strong tourism and aviation partner, and I like to think that it's not just our long, dark, cold winters that bring many Canadians to the shores of Jamaica, he said. Canada is now Jamaica's second largest source market for visitors, with over 400,000 visiting annually, Bartlett said, adding that he anticipated the country reaching over 500,000 visitors annually by 2021. Senior advisor of communication for Swoop, Karen Maslanik, said the flight demonstrated the potential of ultra-low cost model. Well, first of all, we're thrilled that our flight came in sold out today, and it's just a testament that Canadians and Jamaicans alike are interested in and are adoptive of the low cost model, she said. Swoop, a member of the WestJet Group, will operate twice weekly flights between Hamilton, Ontario, Montego Bay, St. James. So, are you excited about Swoop? Do you think that more Canadians are going to enter Jamaica for this ultra low cost? Do you guys anticipate that more tourism is going to be going towards Jamaica, even though the state it is in? Comment what your thoughts are on Swoop Airlines. Comment what your thoughts are if you're in Canada. Would you take a flight with Swoop? And comment what you think about this low cost airline. Do you think that there needs to be more from different countries like the UK, because I know it's very expensive to travel from the UK to Jamaica, and also some parts in the US. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Go on back up for your girls, mother Chris. Them a push it on the street and the street. Go over there, go beat and beat. Beat and beat. So beat and beat. So beat and beat.